autumn is a great time for planting. It enables the plants to send out some early roots and get established so it's ready to spring into action when it comes down to next season. And a good thing to plant at this time of year is things that put food on the dinner table. But before I begin, it would be great, please, if you could give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to my channel for loads of other great videos. Apples are marvellous. And it's not just about the apples themselves, it's also about the spectacular spring blossom. And of course the birds love apple trees and they're great to plant. You can buy them in containers or even bare root. Dig a decent sized hole and plant it in the ground to the level that it is if it's in a container, to the level of the soil of the container. If you've got it bare root, to the mark on the stem where you can see it's been into the ground. And it's not just about the apples themselves, it's also about the spectacular spring blossom. And of course the birds love apple trees and they're great to plant. The best thing to do when you're choosing the apple is choose the varieties and flavours that you like, but check with your garden centre that the pollinators match, because in some cases some apples need another apple nearby to pollinate to produce fruit. So either check what your neighbours have got, go to the garden centre for advice, or buy a self-pollinating variety, something like Laxton Superb, so you're guaranteed to get apples. And it's not just apples, you can also plant plums and pears as well, plus this plant here. Very, very popular now in gardens, in sheltered spots, the fig. Something that looks a little bit Mediterranean, lovely foliage, and of course the fruits as well. I like making jelly out of the figs that I grow, and I dip the cheese in it. It's gorgeous. Other things to plant is fruit bushes. You can plant raspberries and blackcurrants and gooseberries and all sorts in autumn, or something like this. This is a blueberry, and look at the autumn colour. Isn't that spectacular? Flecks of red with a little bit of yellow and green as well, and of course it gets loads of flowers and fruits as well. Just imagine it, picking blueberries fresh, dropping them into the yoghurt. Delicious. Herbs are good as well to plant at this time of year. Some of the hardier varieties, things like rosemary. If you love lamb, you'll love rosemary. Beautiful. And of course you get masses of mauve flowers during the summer season as well. In addition to that, sage is another good evergreen plant. You can buy them that are slightly golden in foliage, like this one here. There's a purple variety and the traditional green as well. Lovely for pastas or for stuffing as well. Gorgeous. Plus, of course, evergreen varieties like thyme are pretty good in containers, maybe more sheltered spot. And it's also pretty good to plant in some mint. Oh, lovely. Fresh into the garden, ideal for that mint sauce, or a few cheeky leaves into the Pims. So there you have it. You've got fruit bushes are great for this time of year, and you've got fruit trees, plus some herbs as well. Get planting and create something that you can pick fresh for your own dinner table. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. And remember to switch on the notifications to be notified of my latest videos. And check out also my newsletter. It's completely free, giving loads of great ideas and hints and tips on plants, growing your own, and wildlife and garden design too. Thanks for watching.